Алугатаглаатаатақарпаан третиис пилассантикиллуатти.
Five Nights at Freddy's Secret of the Mimic.
Анусуна аққаа. Нами. Саппа уяарсерниарпасигунартунгаана тамаани си яме қингассақартигисоо qalilual error.
We need to run some tests. Send to furnace. Salvage.
Hello. Ah. Doon ay tama toking naman. Hello. Sudah pertama tu mesti dia sakak sudah. 하하하하. 아끼뽀. 다시 꼬르뽀. 지금 웍순다 그렇게. Miidaqsimassangaluarma kipparsuusassuilukuingi tassaasuu. Hello. 가만히 담아봐 지사각시모. Stoknya itu. Ơi chị bác bà.
Repaired.
Aku nak baca pun tak semua orang sendiri rock pak.
Disassemble.
Ingat jika orang ni kau nak rock pak apa sen?
Disassemble. Medical personnel.
Oh, putu tozi kaki.
Medical personnel only.
Not today. I'm fine today. Go away. Semua kesenangan sini nak sangat.
Disassemble. Inoperable.
siapa? Nothing, nothing, nothing. Ginawa kita make. Touching on Nico kid.
Hey, I can't get the incinerator up and running. The chutes are getting clogged again. Gary.
Sao không đúng không?
Medical personnel only.
Damat tu ni tok apa? Ayang ngirang ni?
Scanning.
Scanning. Nothing here. Go ahead.
So much to be done.
I know this. Go ahead.
Repair.
역시 조금 딱 아이나? Anh cái đầu mà xịt cái đầu bê rồi đó. Mà cất vào đó. Babu, babu. Move it. Move it. Hello. Move it. Move it. Gì? Dốc đi. Ah, I see. May baringan nih. Oh enggak. Dari ini dengan kayo ba? Bye-bye. Good luck, buddies. Bye-bye, my friend. Only friends. Friends. Love my friends. I like you. Okay, easy peasy, squeezy peasy. I like him. Bariola. Phải mà đi ngặt lá. Ok. Là một câu nào quên rồi. Siapa siapa kira bok tu sun ni nami kan? Số 5 mầm một cặp. Thấy người rằng Spilly rất quay. Mickey Tamani Paul number 69. Số nào một con lên nọc quá. Thêm người rằng Chibina cho What up? I'm alive! Okay. So magkakapisa ka ako ng ganyan. Run na run. Bye-bye. Ba't nangayak pa rin na ito? Kaya Nothing's up pa. What up? تمام تخلق شي معك Ta vẫn ngồi sửa mút. Tôi có xỉu sức. Ta đi xe con đang rồi. Ô. Hả? Rồi đọc số đọc cái đó trời. What's up? 죄송해요, 전에 약봉아. 몇 곳이 없어? 기준님이 약고 지셨노. So, kasi sudah yang dah nok trading irang oh.
Hello, employee. From the bottom of our hearts, Ed and I apologize for all the elevator problems. So, there is some good news and some less good news. The good news is that you can make repairs from inside the elevator. You don't have to wait around until someone notices that it's stuck and fixes it. The less good news is that you won't have the lives of your fellow employees weighing on your conscience if things take a downward turn. Because you're in the elevator as well, which is still good, but less good. You can fix it as a team and no one person is to blame. Okay, let's just hop right in. Ready to take the plunge?
Nope.
Great! Make sure the emergency brake is engaged.
Maybe.
Now, turn the elevator off.
Turn the elevator. Nghe ra mình từ đó à. I'm sorry, I can't reach.
Hello, employee. From
Blah,
the
blah,
bottom
blah,
of our
blah.
hearts, Ed and I make sure the emergency brake is engaged. Now, turn the elevator off.
Turn. Rewind. Oh.
Okay, let's just hop right in. Now, turn the elevator off. Next, rebalance the elevator. That's it? No details? Ugh. When the rebalancing is complete, open the elevator doors.
Open.
Now, turn the elevator off. Next, rebalance the elevator. That's it? No details? Ugh. When the rebalancing is complete, open the elevator doors. Press the Open Maintenance Hatch button. Okay, start the diagnostics routine by inputting the following code. 3, 1, 4, 2,
3, 1. Khăn hả?
Okay, start the diagnostics routine by inputting the following code. 3, 1, 4,
Ủa, ra. Chú.
I hope that worked. You are now safe to close everything up.
Okay, mari ngani.
Turn on the elevator and disengage the emergency brake.
Cho Akipo. Kijabe. Akan yaksa ksip. Oi.
Hey, Ryder. There's too much weight in the elevator. I'm not here to shame, just trying to help you fix the lift. Now, let me check. So disorganized. If you're personally worried about weight issues, I suggest a good diet and exercise. Try tofu. You'd be surprised at how it soaks in flavors. As for the elevator, it's just a bunch of Ed's chicken scratches. Well, it can't be that different from the other elevator instructions, so let's give it a shot. I remember you're supposed to use the emergency brake, then...
Come in! Taco positive in the waka. Here we go again.
You're supposed to use the emergency brake, then turn off the elevator?
How?
Well, it can't be that difficult. Oh, right! You need to realign the elevator using the realignment thingy. When that's done, increase the speed of the elevator to... Once you've figured that part out, power up...
Blow it. What's up? Okay. Goodbye. Doctor, bye bye. Dr. Hatsabi. Dr. Hatsabi, best friend. Where am I? What are you doing here? Sinakto ka 친구는 니. Okay. So what?
Please report. Arnold, pick up. Over.
Okay.
Finally, you have access to the admin wing. That's where Murray's office is located. And most importantly, the schematics. The best way to the admin wing is through the warehouse. That's the big room you've been standing in front of all night. You can see it through that window. Guess you should have gone there first. But hindsight is 20/20, right? As always, try to keep quiet and don't draw attention to yourself. Do that and I'm positive nothing else bad is going to happen to you. Until the next time something else bad happens to you.
Sudah? 아직도 닌낙도 sayang matusang kakata. Akit ko suka. Ito siya ninyak sarap din. Oh! Sumingan được biết. Kaya naunag ko siya ko takis yun. Tama rin siya. Kurado anak si Tuwakbok. Video ko rin chikuniko ako siya ba? Daba? Wanito na? Una?
Bring the magic and whimsy of the Mycelium Men home with you today. It's the new musical Mycelium Men. They repeat any song they hear or anything you say. It's like having your very own band or a friend.
Wow!
Collect them all and let them jam. Pretty groovy. Musical Mycelium Men. Batteries not included. Another smart toy from Murray.
Tao kami mikyo na ba? Napakachinin ko pero sa. La 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 la. Tano kasong ako rano kasong ma. Tano non nam no sweet. Ako nakasinasin mo nga. Bab, nagsakto pa rin nga, saksang na ito. Noon ako tayo na, pagkisang ako tayo ni. Oing? Ungak to siya, nga, at kama ba? 넣어주나? 아 저기 독한 날 뜻하지 마고. Alright.
What the hell was that? They treat me like some contractor to crack a whip at. Oh, Fiona was right. They don't think of me as a friend anymore. This is the last project I ever do for them.
Ich mach schon gut nicht unieren, ma? 아마 시시마가 마? 하는 미터 가는 지금 오셨어. 너 분명 혹시 막아야 하네? 무슨 누구시 막니다? 듣고 왜야 싸가지?
Return letter. Dear Mr. Murray, I'm writing this to complain about my purchase of the Mushman music machine. It learned my child's musical tastes, but it also imitated everything it heard. 2 commercials, blenders, and even private conversations between my husband and me. I am returning it immediately. Sincerely, A. Dumas. Return letter. Dear Mr. Murray and Company, my child loves your jest cereal. However, the pranks inside are extremely inappropriate. The hand buzzer paralyzed our dog feed. We are never buying this cereal ever again. Sincerely, E. Guerrero. Return letter. Dear MCM, my husband is a steel worker, and recently he was moved to the night shift. He tried your Stay Up latte, and it worked wonders for about 2 weeks. He is now in the hospital because of your drink. You will be hearing from our lawyers soon. R. Quinn. Return letter. Dear Mr. Murray, we bought your magic coat rack last May. It was an amazing addition to our home, but lately it seems to change size at random. One morning I came out to find all my coats flung across the room and the coat rack 10 feet tall. Can you send us instructions on how to fix this? We're afraid someone might get hurt. Sincerely, B. Wyatt. Vacations. My weekend vacation request was refused. I quit. Tell Jake I 11 be back for my things on Monday.
Bum 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 bum. Nam ra tiếp cái này đó. Chắc có chắc ăn cái đó. Mày sao có chuyện cái đó? Ah. Kenapa teman itu? Sống trong rất kịch trùng á, rất có sự lực. Số năm nó bột trùng á. Dengan ini tahu kan dulu semua bisa. Suki Shabi. Tava. Langsung ako siya munta ko ang nikosan nun. Hello, friend. 복수각입니다. Bilang tarok pada kusa ng oro. Una sa mga alas dekorari lugu. Ano sabi please. Kami tak ano kurato nga ano kaksinaw. Matapigan na tayo kurato nga na diyong sa sakama. Ano sa mokto? Ano mayon na?
The grand prize is a mystery.
Ngakaw. Susya. Dapat tama din siya. Nanak po. Kaya sinas ng pisinaksak sa masibay. Kasi Bye-bye.